So some small update about the Algo bridge. So the one which we've been developing, right? So what I had done here is like the GitHub. I had changed the URL. So probably somebody said like already Algo bridge, the name already it's been already available. So I thought like I'll try to rename it to OpenAlgo. So OpenAlgo, I thought like it's something a little bit fancy, kind of inspired by OpenAI also. So kind of OpenAlgo. Of course, OpenAI is not really open source. It's a kind of a closed AI only. But OpenAlgo is truly an OpenAlgo, right? Means that the complete source code is open to public. And a couple of interesting things I also done with that. So I'll show you what I had done with that. I'll go to algo.marketcalls.in. I done a couple of changes. I done a couple of code optimization also. So I just changed everything to OpenAlgo. Let me log in. I think I have to do. Yeah, so this is how the basic dashboard looks like. I also built the order book, so which fetches the order book and trade book and the position book. So I parked some test money there, so to try it out, and then some couple of holdings. I removed the download option. So basically, it will try to download automatically the moment I click on tokens. So you don't need to separately click on the download section and then you have to do it. So that is of no use. I'm also trying to get rid of this token concept itself because I know that it's kind of annoying. We have to go and do some extra work over there. So this is what I had done with that. They're completely using ChatGPT, right? So basically, a front end, back end kind of architecture, everything we are able to do it in a matter of like what 3 days using ChatGPT. Probably without ChatGPT, I would say like maybe even an experienced coder they could have been able to do it in 10 days, right? I'm not an experienced coder, by the way. I know coding mostly from the AMI broker perspective. If you ask me any coding from AMI broker, I know that, and I also have some decent experience about Python. I've been coding in Python since 2014 onwards, not very aggressively. So mostly I would say like aggressively, I've been coding from 2020 onwards to some extent. And I don't have any knowledge on front end. So the front end is what I'm mostly depending upon ChatGPT. So this kind of interface, right? If I want to build this kind of interface, dashboard kind of stuff, I have absolutely zero knowledge in that, right? I have absolutely zero knowledge. I know how things works, but I don't want to spend time in the front end design because I'm not a more of a front end design guy. I'm more of a trading design guy. I can design trading systems. I can write logic for trading strategies, and I know how the algo trading platform works. I know how the API works, right? But I'm not a front end guy. But so we outsource the job to the Chat GPT. I'm designing something, it's not working out, so I erase it everything, and then I'm changing the structure. And then sometimes I'm optimizing the code. So today I optimize some of the codes. So going forward, I'll be more and more doing optimization because fine tuning the code is very important. We need faster execution. So we cannot allow the platform to slow down the performance. And moreover, security is a concern for me always. So I always try to keep from the security point of view because it's something related to money, right? So we cannot just like that, just because it's open source, we cannot say like I will not focus on the security part. Again, I'm taking a lot of sessions. I mean, I'm taking mostly learning from the ChatGPT only. Again, how to build a safe and secure systems. I'm also going through a couple of YouTube videos as well. And from my knowledge, I'm just trying to build whatever from a security point of view, how we should design so that somebody else should not be accessing the platform tomorrow, right?